How to add a progress bar to video. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video and I want to create a progress bar for this video. First, change format from SRT to Advanced Substation Alpha. Now right-click and go to ASSA Tools and select Generate Progress Bar. Here you can see that a progress bar is added at the bottom of the video. Click on this button to move it top of video. You also can change the height of it. You can change the color of progress from red to another color. You also can change the second color in progress bar. You can add chapters to progress bar. Click on the New button and type the chapter name. Next, go forward in video and click on New button to create second and third chapters. You can change the splitter between chapters. I want a height of 40 and a width of 1 pixel. You also can change the font family and size of the chapter names. And when you are happy with the progress bar, just click OK. Now we have to burn it into video. Just go to Video and click on Generate Video with Burn in Subtitle. And click on Generate button and save the video. At last, click on Open Containing Folder, and you can see that the video has the progress bar.
Julia had always loved music, ever since she was a little girl. True.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.